njengamanje hamba uye emndenini bese ngiqhumana nonala silavala ucingo ngathatha ucingo same time mina ngahlaba kuxolana Mcineka ngathi Mcineka khona ukukhuluma okuvelayo ngicela uthinta ukhuzani manje usho ukuthi kunokukhuluma oqhamuke emndenini mayikhona indlela gijimani niyokoyilungisa ngoba udaba luza kumina ngiyaluchitha luzogcina luwela kubantu abarong uMcineka walithatha ucingo wahlaba kukhuzani wa-answer ukhuzani wathi ukhuzani no yonke into ngomndeni in order abasondelana nokhuzani ngicela bambuze ngaleyo call yaSunday ukuthi ayingenanga yini wathi ngoba umndeni yonke into order akabelieve ukuthi khona umndeni ungamhamba behind the back leyo nto ngenzeka ukuthi labantu abasho leyo nto they are saving their self interest ngathi Mcineka nini eshonga wathi Mcineka showcase ngithe ngisuka ngangivala ucingo mina ngaqhubeka nezinto zami wabona ukuthi ngithe sengiqhubeka nezinto zami babuyela kumina wathi no uthi umndeni unala kukhulumeki naye ngeke aza understand unala as a result bayayiqhuba lento ngathi angisangeni kwakuyisonto following day ntambama ngeze uThabane seqhuma phezulu mina ngamfonela uThabane kwenze njani wathi ngithinta umzimba okhanda imali kune case ekumele kubulandwe imali ekhishwa abaculi kanje ithe ngiqhuma leyo nto ngase ngidemanda iappointment fast mina noMcineka ngiyamtshela namhlanje sahlangana ehotel Palace lapha ngathi Mcineka into iphuma esandleni sizoyimisa kanjani lento manje wathi uMcineka no ukhuzana akekho eduza sigaxa ukhuzana ngathi no ungamfaka ucingweni angikhulume nawe wena usulele le hotel uzomfonela ngamnika ama-update ngakhipha ama-recordings ami ngikhuluma nomzimba ngakhipha wawalalela uMcineka wawakhuluma nokhuzana emva kwaleyo nto kwaba nalesiphithiphithi kwaqalwa manje ngokwaziyo ukuthi uThabane is very close to me mina uThabane is very close to me ngokwaziyo ukuthi uThabane is very close to me ngazanywa manje ukuhlanganiswa as if behind ngase ngiyazithulela ngoba ngiphethe ubufakazi ngiphethe ukuthi mina ngithe abagijima omcineka bayohlangana nomndeni kahle simple okunye nokunye-ke angihlangene-ke la bengithi nginike ipage eqondile ukuze kungagcini kudefendwa into engekho nikhuluma niqede but udabona ngalazi uyabona uma ningaconfirma from uMcineka ukuthi khona nikhona engayifaka ngesonto ngithi naku ukukhuluma kuvuka ngale uzoyisho uMcineka manje ngaconfirma kukhuzani ukuthi khona yini uzoyiconfirm ukhuzani leyo nto even ukhuzani uthe bengabe yizwa lento wathatha ucingo ukhuzani after uMcineka walihlaba kumzimba okhala imali walihlaba ucingo kulokhuzana kumfana lo kaDlamini baba ku conference call ukhuzana exoxa ukuthi hayibo nakho sengivukelwa lolo cingo lolo okade ukhuzana bekhuluma ngalo kwenziwa i-screenshot kwa recording yaforward kuThabane uThabane wayiforward kumina simple that is why uThabane zama ukuveza ama-screenshot ngokuthi abanye abantu-ke kodwa udaba nje ukhuzani walaze ngalo isonto lento yenzeka nje uaware ukhuzani kwenzakalani
Abu King mawukhuluma ngesonto ukhuluma ngoSunday after i-funeral or Sunday wokusweleka kwaDlamini
Sunday after funeral Sunday
okay.
after funeral no before the funeral everything was running smoothly Ntombazana before the funeral nje everything was running smooth inkinga iqale bakudlula i-funeral yabo and lento bafethi bikade i-unfair because yazi khona la ithi khona
someone's hands
yes like nje after funeral nje yeah ibisi khona lento was very unfair bafethu because nami yangizwe ubuhlungu ukuthi no akukwazi ukusetshenzwa kangaka mase bakhona umuntu ozothi uhamba if kune problem why ngathintwa uma ngine problem efakuza why ngafonelwa yena why ngafonelwa nani why
Ngenza kwethu-ke ubhaka-ke uzama ukuchaza ukuthi-ke indaba-ke yasuka kanjani-ke ngenza kwethu abanye-ke bathi-ke uprotector uThabane mina nabo bengathanda sihlangana comment section sizovula ukuthi uthini ngalolu sikuphathele ezishisayo hlala nomgosi kusukela Monday kuya ku Sunday ungakhohlwa ukucofa subscribe button kule channel yethu.